Yo, what's good, y'all? All right, so today I'm actually going to give you guys a strategy that you guys can implement right now on your trading journey. All right, we're going to talk about trend lines, and I'm going to show you how to draw them and something that you can implement and actually be able to catch a trade and potentially catch the trend. Okay, so I like to do mine on the 4-hour time frame. So these are 4-hour candles. It's a 4-hour chart here. All right, so right now this is gold. All right, so gold. So let's start right here. I want to show you guys something. All right, so if I was to draw a trend line, if I was to draw a trend line, it'd be like this. I want at least a 2-point touch on that trend line, and then I'm not getting out of this trade. All right, I'm not getting out of this trade. I'm gonna hold this trade until price actually breaks this trend line. Okay, so the moment price breaks this trend line, all right, I'm looking to take the trade right here on the break of this trend line, and then I'm looking to take this sell. Now, you could do a couple different things. Now, you could take that trade down to the previous lows here, okay, and then close your trade. Or if you're looking to actually catch the trend, what you could do is you can actually just wait. All right, you can wait till price breaks the upper trend line. So we want a 2-point touch. Okay, so if I was to draw that, I would actually get out of this trade. If I was selling this, I actually would close my position on the close of this candle right here, being that price actually broke the trend line, okay, to the upside, this upper trend line. Now, you just don't know how long this trend is actually going to last. All right, so you could just ride the trend, okay? You could just ride the trend. So if we were to place a buy, I would normally place a buy here, and then I put my stop, all right, below the lows there. Now, so if we were to enter a buy position here, I would be looking. All right, I would be looking. Let's just say here. I don't know why that drew it all messed up, but let me fix that. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, so I want a 2-point touch. 1, 2, okay, 3. That's even better because then I can really start dissecting. Okay, so I'm not really looking to get out of this trade unless price actually breaks this trend line. Okay, now I can do something tighter where I can draw more trend lines off of this trend line. Okay, and I could potentially lock in more profits here if price actually breaks this trend line to the downside. All right, or I could potentially just continue to hold. But if price breaks this trend line, I would close this position. So if we were to get into this trade down here, look at how long of a run that would be that you'd actually be able to hold that trade. So if you actually work a job, all right, and you guys are busy during the week, this might be a great opportunity, or a great strategy, I should say, for you guys to implement. All right, because now you don't have to worry about staring at the chart. You can actually just ride the trend until the trend decides to change. Okay, so we don't know how long that's going to last. All right, I'm going to use price to dictate and let me know when I actually need to get out of this trade. Okay, so if price were to break this lower trend line here, I just close the position and I lock in profit. But that would be a very nice profit there. Also, depending on your lot size, price, this would have been a great selling opportunity here before you had to close, and then ultimately a great buy. All right, so practice that, implement that. Remember, you want at least a 2-point touch, and that's something that you guys can utilize right now as a strategy, and keeping it very simple. All right, so as always, if you got any questions, hit me up, DM me, and let's get it, y'all.